So you've been wood burning a lot and your fingers have started to change colors. Maybe your thumb in particular, it's turning yellow or orange. Hey, what is up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name's Dylan Taylor. This is Dylan's DIY Workshop. And today I'm going to be talking about the staining of your fingers from wood burning. So I've been working on this new wood burning just on my desktop, just in my spare time whenever I'm just sitting here. And it makes a lot of smoke because of the way that I'm actually burning this. And I've noticed that my fingers have started to change colors. So most notably my thumb, it's almost orange compared to my other fingers. This is where I'm not too sure why that happened. So I hold the wood burner like this, so my thumb is almost the closest to the wood burning tip, and that's where most of the smoke comes up and is over my thumb. So it does get fairly hot, and so I don't know if my thumb is burnt or if it's stained from all of the sap and whatever burning off of the wood. I'm guessing that it's more
stained,
because if I go ahead and I smell that thumb, it smells like burnt wood. And as weird as that is, that's what I think it is, just stained, because it does eventually come off if you wait a couple days. Now this has happened to me quite a few times, and it hasn't really seemed to be a lasting thing. It's not really too much of an issue. It only seems to be when it's on a higher heat setting and there's a lot of smoke coming off of it. So that's my experience with it, and I'd love to know if you guys have experienced the same thing, or if you're worried about it. Maybe it's not as big a deal as you might think. So has your hand or fingers ever turned orange or yellow from wood burning? Or pyrography, as the technical term is. And I should probably say that word more often so that these videos get search result ranked. SEO. Okay guys, that's going to be it for this video. A huge thank you to all of my Patreon supporters for allowing me to keep creating videos, and a special thank you to Randy, Robinbird, and Mike Maxwell, the top tier Patreon supporters. If you guys want to help support the things that I do or the videos that I create, please consider checking out my Patreon page. There'll be a card up in the top right corner. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, enjoy the video. Give it a big old thumbs up. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.